Yo, what's up? Why are you sleeping in school? There's school today. Yeah, there is. Why aren't you going? So boring. I just wish school was destroyed. I just wish school was so destroyed. What was that noise? What was that flash? Oh my god, something's happening. Something really bad is happening. And when did all of these blocks get here? There was some yellow flash. I just don't know what that was. And I just wish school was destroyed. I still wish. What just happened? Half of school just destroyed. No. Looks like my wish, half of my wish came true. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh my god. Looks like my wish came true. School got destroyed. Friends. Oh wait, I don't have any friends. Let me sing a song because school is destroyed. All of my friends are bored. And who just broke the school? Angry Bird. I know. It was you that broke the school. Yay! Everyone shout. There you are. Goodbye. Good night, everyone. The maker of this movie is called Hamadi21. Please subscribe.